Most marriages don't fail because couples stop loving each other. They fail because couples stop talking. At the beginning of a relationship, you talk about everything: late-night conversations, dreams, future plans. But after a few years, life gets busy: work, bills, kids, stress. And suddenly, the conversations change. Instead of connection, it becomes logistics. Did you pay the rent? Did you pick up the kids? What's for dinner? The relationship slowly shifts from partnership to routine. And when meaningful conversations disappear, emotional distance begins to grow. Strong couples protect their conversations. They check in with each other. They ask deeper questions. They make time to listen. Because communication is what keeps a marriage emotionally alive. So here's a real question. Do couples stop talking because they're busy, or because they slowly stop trying?